Hello students, this is an initiative from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE online. I Miss Madhumita Tarafdar going to teach you Computers Chapter 5 for Standard 4. The topic is editing text in Word. So I have divided this chapter into 3 parts. So this is the first part of the chapter. Let's go with it. Okay students, so now let me show you what are the parts of Word 2013. This is in my computer there is Word 2016, so I am showing you in this. If you are having 2010, then also it's the same thing. Most probably all the things are same. Some little bit changes are there, but just go through it, the normal things what are we needed. See this top belt, can you see this? This is called the title bar, because here whatever name you write, whatever be the name of your document, whatever you write and you save the name, that name is shown here, this part. Can you see it? This is called the title bar. What is this? This is the title bar. This area, from this save button, undo button, redo button, and this one, this is called quick access toolbar. Can you see it? Customized quick access toolbar. This is known as the customized to quick access toolbar. Okay, the next one is your, this is the minimize button. Minimize means to see, this is called minimize, and again you can maximize it, and this is called maximize button. This is full screen if you want to see it full screen, and this is the close button. This you all know, this is the close button. So this is the minimize, maximize, and the close buttons. Okay, next is your, these are the tabs. These are known as the tabs: file tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab, view tab, help tab. These are known as the tabs. Okay, these are the tabs. The above this line is known as the tabs, that is the menus. From here you can access the menus. So these are the tabs. Okay, next is your this. See, this is the horizontal. Can you see it? Wait, let me show you. Okay, now see this above area, this can you see here? This is the horizontal, this is called the horizontal bar ruler, horizontal ruler, and this is called the vertical ruler. Okay, this area is known as the vertical, this is known as the horizontal. The vertical ruler and the horizontal ruler. Okay, next, this is the document window where you are typing each and everything. This is known as the document window, the typing area. And then this is the scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar. Can you see this scrolling? This is called the vertical scroll bar. And when you, yeah, this is the vertical scroll bar. And then is your zoom button. This is the zoom button. Can you see it? See, I am zooming it. Sorry, I am zoom outing and zoom in. So can you understand? So this is the zoom button, 100% or 0%. So this is called the zoom button. Or these are the things you should know before using a Word. So these are the main things. This is the document window, these are the tabs up, and here it is the title bar. This is called the quick access bar. This is the minimize button, maximize button, and close button here. Okay, and then this is the above is the horizontal ruler, and down is the here sides, this side is or that side, you can say this is the vertical ruler. So now you understand what is a what are the main things of a Word. So, and these are the display options. These are the ribbons display option. Can you see here? This is called the ribbon display option. This area, this is known as ribbon display option. And here, this is known as the collapse button. This is the collapse the ribbon. This is the name. You should know all the things. So this is the collapse the ribbon. Okay, this area is known as collapse the ribbon. And this is the status bar. This area is known as the status bar. That is, whatever you are typing, whatever you are doing, it will be shown here. So this area is known as the status bar. So now hope you all have understood what are the main thing. Again I am showing you. This is the quick access bar. This is the title bar. This is the minimize button, maximize button and close button. And this is your ribbon display option. This is your collapse button, collapse the ribbon. This is your vertical ruler. This area is your document area where you are typing. This is the status bar. Whatever you are writing or whatever is thing is shown here. Okay. And this is the vertical ruler, and above is the horizontal ruler. So now you understand what are the things are there. So in the next video I am showing you what are the how to edit a document. So hope student you have understood this. So let's meet in the next video. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.